Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I've just been working, trying to make a quick buck.
Oh, I feel you.
Yeah,
feel you.
so
It was a rough night for me.
Oh, it was a rough night?
Yeah.
Wait, were you just working? It's 8 a.m. I just clocked in.
I know, yeah.
You just clocked off?
I literally just clocked out.
Oh, what do you do? Are you like...
I'm a dancer.
Oh, you're a dancer?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
like at a retirement center or something?
Something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
It was fun. It was just... Tips were just not there today, so I'm...
Well, what do you mean tips?
tip-based.
Because you work at a retirement center, right?
No. I work at like a club kind of setting.
Oh!
I'm kind of like an exotic dancer.
You're that kind of dancer.
Yeah. I actually wanted to tell you, I'm actually kind of having some problems paying for the ride.
Oh, what do you mean?
Just like it's
already covered. Like it goes to the app, so.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I don't know if it went through or not, but on my
Sometimes
end,
it does reject, so it's not gonna happen though, right?
I think it's fine, but I just want to like let you know beforehand.
I hate when that happens.
Yeah, no, me too. I mean, I can pay you in other ways if that's what you're interested in.
I can't take like Venmo or anything if that's what you mean.
Oh, well, I mean, I don't have Venmo either.
Oh,
But
what were you saying?
I can like pay you like another way. It was like a rough night for me tonight.
I mean, what other way are you thinking?
I can give you a dance if you want.
You can give me you're gonna dance for me?
If you want, like, I just got off of work. I'm like super exhausted, but like, I don't mind doing you a solid and just,
I don't know. I mean, I've never like gotten a dance before, so I don't really know how that works. Like, what do I have to do?
Just keep driving me to my destination. Since you.
I mean, like, hey, you only live once. What do the young kids say? YOLO or something?
YOLO.
Okay, YOLO.
Yeah, totally.
And actually, my friends wouldn't believe me. So
yeah. Well, I mean, they probably would believe you if.
Oh, you know what I could do? Because I film my rides for insurance.
Yeah.
I could like post this on TikTok or something. My followers, they would love. Okay, you know what? Let's do it.
That's a good idea.
I'm gonna play it.
You would promote me like that?
Yeah. So
I totally don't mind. Like I totally
okay,
don't
I'm gonna
mind.
play.
Like,
Let me try to find a song really quick, and then I don't know. What do you need? What do you need from me? Like just a song, and that's it.
I just need a song, and like if you have like any like few extra dollar bills or like.
You want me to?
$100 bills.
Okay, you know what?
Of course, but like anything helps. I'm just I'm like a hardworking person.
You are.
I have a really good work ethic.
You're an essential worker.
I'm very essential. Like,
yeah.
The economy like really needs me.
You help make the world go round.
Exactly. Thank you so much for saying that. Not a lot of people recognize my talent, so.
Yeah. So yeah, let me just find a quick song and then.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna pull over just so safety.
Yeah. No. Of course.
Or
I don't want you to like.
I'm gonna get just too distracted.
Or anything. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
It's totally okay.
Actually, yeah, I can't pull over here, so I'm gonna keep going. But yeah, let me play a song. Okay. Here we go. How's this?
Yes,
Is this fine?
I hear this in my club all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Wait. I do have some cash.
Oh my god, yeah, that helps.
Okay, here we go.
All
right, keep going. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Dang. Oh my god, my dream come true. You are talented.
Thank you so much.
Your ride is completely paid for.
Really?
You don't need to pay.
Oh, you're a sweetheart.
I'll drive you every day,
God.
every single day if you'll do that.
Yeah, no, of course.
Okay.
Of course,
Can I get your number after this?
You can just pick me up at the same spot.
Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Your Snapchat or something?
Yeah, you like my dance?
I do. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, you killed it.
Tell your friends, okay?
All right, I will.
Yeah, appreciate it. All right, yeah, you can just drop me off like whenever.
Yeah, you're just going right here?
Yeah, whatever.
Alrighty. Well,
Okay.
have a great day.
You too. See ya.
Dang, that's a lot of money. So I just gave you. Hello, did you order an Uber?
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Very good. How are you? It's a beautiful day.
I know. You're just coming from the selfie pop house? Is that what that is?
Oh my god, yeah. That's so fun.
Wait, are you like in the house? Are you a TikToker?
I was.
You're a TikToker? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I have like 20,000 followers on TikTok right now.
I mean, well, that's not that much because everyone's
a lot. Honestly, I barely have any on Instagram.
the fact that I have this much on TikTok is like a huge accomplishment for me. I feel
Oh,
like
well, congrats.
I'm ruling the world.
I'm sure
and
you're gonna
everyone at the house like treats me like royalty.
I'm sure you're gonna go really far in life.
Oh, thank you. How nice of you. You're so sweet.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what did you just do? Did you just cancel the ride?
Yes, actually, I did.
Why did you do that?
I just don't feel like paying, honestly. I don't feel like paying.
Well, I gotta make money.
But I don't know if you heard. There's this new thing going around. It's a TikTok hack.
Oh,
or it's just
God.
a hack for Uber, but it's on TikTok.
Oh, my
and
God.
So many people were talking to me about it, and they said if you end the ride early, you don't have to pay really that much. So I know it's
Yeah,
a
and then
long
I don't
drive,
get paid that much either. That's how it works. So how am I supposed to make money on this ride?
You don't, but that's okay. I'll repay you another time. But
So you want me to just
right
drive
now-
you for free?
Yeah, I'm gonna need to. Yeah, because I don't have the money right now, to be honest. And
We're not doing this. But you know what
What are
we
you
are
talking
doing?
about?
You know what we are doing?
What?
I'm gonna take you to the police station
Why are you taking me to the police station?
because
You're mad at me for a TikTok?
because
that
you're
someone
trying to
made?
you're trying to get a free ride, and
Of course.
that's literally like
It's
not.
on TikTok. You're not watching it? Have you
Okay,
not
well,
seen it?
it's not like
I'll send
everything
it
you
to
see on TikTok is like.
Yeah, but it's like a real thing.
Oh my gosh,
Do
you
you not
literally
know?
make 0
What
cents.
are you talking about?
God, what are you, like a feminist or something?
Of course I am.
Oh
Why
my
wouldn't I be?
gosh. You know what?
What's the problem? As I'm a feminist, I'm a woman.
Okay,
I
there's
deserve-
actually a police station right up here, so I'm just gonna I don't know.
No.
They can figure they can.
No. We don't need to go to the police station. Just take a left.
No, we're going right.
Why are we going to the police station?
because
I
it's-
didn't do anything wrong.
You canceled the ride in the middle of the ride, so I'm not getting paid.
Okay, but you don't need to go to the police station.
That's
for that.
literally
You
like
think the
worse
cops
than
are gonna
stealing
do
from like the
something about
99-cent
that?
store.
It is not the same thing. It's so different, and it's not that bad. You're just.
And you know what? I'm filming this. I'm for my insurance, but I'm going to take this footage and I'm going to post it on TikTok. And my followers, and I have more followers than you, by the way, they're going to blow it up. So this can go viral to show people not to do that anymore. Okay?
Listen.
Okay? All right, here we go. Here we go. Here's the police station.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Yeah, Officer Myron. Yep, I got one more right here.
Officer Sweetie, hi.
So are you from around here or what?
Pardon me?
Do you live in the area?
Yeah, no, actually I live in Laguna.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
What about you?
Yeah, I live around here.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a nice area.
That's nice.
Yeah. Oh,
So-
your door's open.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. You just shut it. Oh, wait, here.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
Have you heard about Brazilian music? Because I was born in Brazil, so.
Oh, no. I
So-
never... Brazilian music?
Yeah.
There's just one song, it's like, Você me apareceu?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I show you some music, if you don't mind?
You want to play music?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I have Bluetooth. You can connect your phone?
Actually, my phone's not here, so.
Oh, how did you order the Uber ride?
Do you mind if I play a Brazilian music?
Yeah,
Bluetooth,
I have Bluetooth. You want to just connect your phone?
No, I don't have my phone with me. Just my friend ordered the Uber for me, so.
You don't have your phone?
No, I don't.
How did you order the ride?
So my friend just ordered for me.
Okay.
I was my friend's house, so yeah, he lives here in
Oh, well, too bad, I guess. I'll listen when I get home to the song.
Man, what's the problem, man? I just want to play a music, alright. It's quick.
What?
It's quick, the music. I want to just play a Brazilian music.
Well, you don't have your phone.
So what matters? My friend just ordered the music. I just want to put the music and then give your phone back. I'm not gonna.
You want to use my
steal
phone
your
to play music?
Yeah.
Dude, it's a new phone. I don't.
Man, that's fine.
You're gonna
man.
be like, you're not gonna mess it up, right?
Of course not, man. Why would you do that?
You better. You're gonna leave me a tip for this ride?
Of course, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you 5 stars.
Okay.
You're joking.
Okay. I'm just making. I'm just trying to be like, you can never
Don't
trust
worry.
everybody, you know.
Don't worry. Just let me search my favorite music.
Yeah, sure.
Man, you're gonna love it, bro.
Okay. Let's listen. It's Brazilian?
Yeah, it is Brazilian. Yeah.
Okay, let's listen. You playing it?
No, just because the internet's not working. Maybe it's the
Push play.
No, it's just because I mean the engine's not working. It's like loading. So
Okay.
1 second. I think when you yeah, right there, maybe this again is gonna be back. Yeah. What do you think, man?
Is it Brazilian music?
Yeah, it is, man. What do you think? Did you like it?
It's okay. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, that's my phone. That's my phone. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good for Uber?
Yes.
What's the name?
Sandy?
Sandy?
Yes.
Okay. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I'm kind of in a rush, so.
Yeah, you're just going right up here?
Yeah.
Oh, make sure you put your seatbelt on.
Oh, dang. Are these your tips?
Yeah, they are. Well, they're from this whole week.
Wow, you make a lot in tips. Do you drive like?
Yeah, Uber like literally pays us, like, I'm literally only making $3 on this ride. So like, I literally rely on tips because.
Wow.
Yeah, I hate Uber. Like, Uber sucks. Like, they literally, like, they barely pay us.
Yeah, well, I will definitely, I only have like a few dollars, but.
Oh, thank you. I mean, anything is great. Like, I mean, obviously the more the merrier, but I mean, don't feel bad for me. Like, literally feel bad for all the Uber drivers. Like, you know, there's like a study that just came out saying that drivers make $6 an hour after expenses.
That can't be true.
It is. I mean, think about all the gas I'm putting on, all the wear and tear I'm putting on my car. I got people like, I mean, not you, but like people coming in my car, messing it up. I got to get it repaired. Got people throwing up in the back seat. Like,
But then why do you drive for Uber?
I got no other option. This is like, and I have to do this. I have to pay my bills. So I just drive like 12 hours a day.
That is crazy. No, I had no idea. I thought Uber drivers like were honestly fallen because everyone I feel like orders an Uber.
Well, I mean, I make like a lot of money, but I also spend a lot of money. Like some days I make no money because it's like, you know, the rides are slow and I gotta, you know, I'm driving around looking for rides and I'm just wasting all this gas.
Wow, that seriously sucks. Like, I'm sure you're also like.
Well, I just want to be my own boss, you know? I feel like at least.
But is it worth it?
If I'm my own boss, I don't have to respond to anyone. You know, I have freedom, flexibility. I mean,
But
I don't know.
the time, like, you're not.
I'm just waiting for a big ride, you know? Like, I love those $50 rides.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Well, I feel like you should probably not drive for Uber then, just because you could be spending that time with your family or just doing other stuff and not just behind a wheel.
Well, I gotta pay the bills, you know? They gotta be paid somehow.
Why don't you just work at a Chick-fil-A?
Because, like, they barely pay, like, $17 an hour.
But you're barely getting what you said, $6 an hour now.
Yeah, but, I mean, once I pay the car off, like, I only have another, like, 2 years in the car. I'm gonna pay it off, and then...
2 more years.
And then I'll be all profit, so... I'll be, like, I just gotta work every day for, like, 2 years, and then I'll be good.
Okay, I can see why your passengers are leaving you a big tip. You sound like you...
So you're just going right up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's fine.
Well, thanks, I guess.
Yeah, this is totally fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you right up here, because there's, so I can pull over illegally. Legally.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
And then you said I can just leave the tip here, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
if
cool.
you want. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey, where's my tips? Hi, if you're here for Uber.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Good. How's your day been?
Just been driving Uber, you know. Another day, another dollar.
Did you bring the handcuffs? Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Handcuffs for what?
Oh, we just like, yeah, we're just going to this club and yeah. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Where you guys at? You guys going to downtown?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's in downtown, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't really know. They give us the address like an hour before, so
Yeah.
we've never been there.
Okay. Can you put your seatbelts on, please?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, what are you, what's your plans for tonight?
Just driving Uber, you know, until I get tired.
Oh, nice.
Because the place we're going to, like, guys, get in free.
Oh,
Yeah, you want to come with us?
is it like a party or something?
Yeah.
Kinda.
I don't like party. Oh, what are you doing?
You're cute.
You just hit me in the face.
Yeah, it's cute.
Are you crazy?
Did you like it? Did you like it?
What are you talking about?
Did you like it?
No, I'm driving a car. Can you don't do that anymore, okay? I'm literally driving. What are you doing?
What? You're cute.
Stop. That's weird.
Oh, sorry. Well, we don't think it's weird. Yeah, we think it's cute.
This is being recorded, by the way.
Ooh, we like stuff recorded.
Ooh, yeah. We make videos too.
Oh my gosh, what do you guys do?
We're known for recording videos.
Yeah. We do like exclusive content.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like what, on like Patreon or something?
No, OnlyFans.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You should join us sometime. I mean, sorry.
What?
Yeah,
You should go out with us sometime.
You guys are crazy.
No.
What do you mean?
Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm a normal like Uber driver. Like this is not one of your fantasy things. So just like, can you just?
I mean,
We're
you
just
can
gonna-
hang out with us one night.
And is it a fantasy if we like make it happen?
Right.
I don't know, but I'm kind of nervous right now. So just,
Like nervous
Why?
in a
You
good
shouldn't
way?
be nervous.
what are you doing?
You shouldn't be nervous.
You need to relax.
Yeah, you need to calm down. It's
Okay.
okay. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah. You're gonna be nice.
What are you doing?
You're a
Don't
nice
touch me.
boy.
I don't think. Have you ever been with two girls before?
Yeah.
No, why would I be with two girls? It's
I
like
know, it's fun.
I
It's
like
a
to
lot of
respect.
fun.
Like,
It's a lot of fun.
well, how are you gonna give like both like what they want? You know, you gotta like do one at a time.
It's called sharing. It's caring. Like,
And we
share.
can definitely teach you.
Mhm. If you want.
You guys are on drugs or something.
No,
No.
high on life.
Mhm.
You're sober right now.
Yeah, definitely.
100% sober.
Mhm.
Just maybe like, I don't know. That maybe you could do the next Uber you got.
Oh,
What do you
come
mean?
on.
But you're cute. Like, you want to go out with us? We can go to the same. Like, we're going to the club.
And how often do you get this off?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, it's never happened, but like I just probably shouldn't happen.
What do you mean?
It sounds like a bad story. Like it sounds like the beginning of like a horror movie.
Trust me, this will be the best
We're-
story of your life.
Yeah, we're girls. Nothing's gonna happen to you.
Okay, yeah, that's what they all say.
No, okay,
What?
how about this? How about we go back to your place? If
Yeah.
that makes you feel more safe.
We can go to your place right now. We don't even have to go to the club.
You want to go to my place?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This does not sound like appropriate at all. This is my workplace, okay?
We're cute. You're cute.
This is my
It adds
workplace. I'm working. You wouldn't
Okay,
go to the
let's start
bank.
working.
You wouldn't go to the bank and ask your teller to hang out, would
I
you?
mean, if they were cute, why
Yeah,
not?
exactly. We'll wait for them. Oh, we'll wait for you.
So
What time do you
basically
get
what you're
out?
saying is I'm not special. You do this to everyone.
No.
No, just the cute ones.
Oh my
And
gosh.
you're cute.
Yeah, you're cute.
I think he's gonna say yes.
I know it.
We know you're just playing hard to get.
I know you're playing hard to get. Just say yes.
What do you want me to do?
Just stop the car right now and we'll go together.
Stop
stop
the car?
working.
Yeah.
Yeah, just stop working.
I need
you a
money
good
though.
time.
I need money. I need at least another $100 today.
We'll give you $100.
You're gonna give me $100?
Yeah, if you go
we
inside our
literally
house.
have the cash on us.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh. No,
you
I
go
can't
inside
accept
our
any money.
Why?
I mean, I guess I could work after.
It's easy money.
He said he's gonna work after.
Okay.
Is that a yes?
I don't know.
Oh, why? You're so hard to get. You're so annoying. Just stop.
And how often does this happen?
Yeah, how
Literally.
many offers have you gotten?
I can't do this. I'm sorry.
What do you
I
mean?
want to, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna let you guys out. But I hope you do find another.
You're stopping a ride?
Yeah.
You could at least take us to our destination.
Yeah. You're so rude.
It's right up there. You can walk.
You're so rude.
Can you walk
Oh
us?
my god.
I feel uncomfortable. I don't know.
Can you walk us?
Yeah, you're so rude. You're really rude. Why can't you just say yes to a girl? It's like you.
Okay,
like,
now you're raising your voice. Okay, now you're being mean. Okay, can you
Oh
just
my
get out?
we're really pretty girls. I don't know why you're
I
like.
don't care. It looks. It's more. I'm more into personality.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, let's just find another one.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, like that's exactly what I thought. Just another one. Like I'm so replaceable, huh?
You are.
Yeah, you are replaceable. There's millions of guys out there.
Wow, I thought it was special.